Hey there, Chris Marcus here with you again on Tuesday, April 11th. And a quick note about Deutsche Bank, who you may or may not have noticed has been getting pummeled over the last month or so. Closed today at $16.32, and on March 1st is trading $20.66. So again, Deutsche Bank, another one of those big banks that I would say, without massive amounts of printed money, the whole thing is illogical. And when you look at the size of some of these derivative exposures and what would happen if you actually had real interest rates, um, there's obviously a big problem there. But when is there some sort of spark that triggers the failure of one of these? Again, not giving investment advice, just sharing as my background as a trader and economist, some of the things that I've heard over the years, which may or may not be accurate. So, again, do your own homework. But there's been a rumor, if you read Zero Hedge or some of those other sites, where it seems like people have wondered if Deutsche Bank has been a trade or two away from being in a bad position, similar to some of the things that when does a bank go the way of Bear Stearns or Lehman Brothers as opposed to hanging around? Somehow Merrill Lynch seems like they always go bankrupt, and yet they're still there. But in either case, I don't follow Deutsche Bank too often, but was just a little bit surprised today to see that it's lost about 25% of its value. Again, you always hear, not always, but still hear rumors of problems with the Italian banks everywhere. So just something to keep an eye on, and it feels like something's building for whatever that's worth. Again, maybe I've thought that for a while, but should be interesting times in the market. So if you have any questions or other topics you'd like addressed, let me know. And with that said, hope you're again having a great day, and thanks for watching.